Hi friends, my name is Dinkar Suri and I am the co-chair of the Thai Academy. Thai Academy is an initiative of Thai Mumbai to deliver entrepreneurship with a special focus on sales execution and development. I am pleased to inform you that as we approach the first anniversary of the Thai Academy in November 2020, we have a great program lined up for all entrepreneurs there. This program is titled IET. In other words, innovate, execute, and train. This is a unique concept that the Thai Academy has brought forward that summarizes the basic elements and the basic pillars for success of any venture at any stage of their operation. Now, a word about the three experts who are going to be running this course, IET. Dr. Kaustubh Dhagalkar, myself, Dinkar Suri, and Sunil Haribal. Kaustubh Dhagalkar is a well-known author, consultant, and coach on design thinking and innovation. Over the past many years, he has mentored several startups. Dinkar Suri, that is myself, I focus solely on helping organizations to build an efficient sales department and mastering sales execution and development. Sunil Haribal is a senior sales trainer with over 30 years of experience in sales training across industries and has mentored hundreds of young salespeople to new peaks of excellence. So what does IET stand for and how can you benefit from it? First, the I, innovate. The innovate deals with how do you use the process of innovation and design thinking to put the user at the center of your business and develop unconventional solutions that meet a real need while creating a practical go-to-market document that aids sales execution. Very important part of the entrepreneur's journey, and it is absolutely important that we all get it right. Moving to the E, which is execute. Execute deals with how to master sales execution using GASP, generally accepted sales principles, which is built on the science of sales management and sales development. Execute deals with building an efficient sales organization that can actually deliver outstanding results. Sounds very simple, but is very often ignored in a venture's journey. The last, but also very important, is train. So train deals with how do you sustain sales performance of your sales teams by ensuring that they overcome customers' objections to buying your solution, and how do they negotiate successfully for a win-win consistently and on a sustainable basis. IET, Innovate, Execute, Train, is one more innovative product from the Thai Academy to train entrepreneurs not only in the process of thinking, planning, but also executing all aspects of their venture so that it can become successful. This masterclass comprises of 26 hours of training, coaching, and practical hand-holding that commences on 12th October and ends on 5th November, that is the anniversary date of the Thai Academy. In order to explain the benefits of the masterclass so that you can get to see how you can apply it to your venture, we have organized a webinar on the 1st of October at 5 p.m. on the Thai Mumbai platform. All the three of us, that is myself, Kaustubh Dhagalkar and Sunil Haribal, would be present in the webinar to explain to you how the masterclass can benefit each one of you in your ventures. The link for registration is available in this note. Friends, I would suggest please don't miss this opportunity to know more about IET and take your business to the next level. See you all on 1st October. Thank you. Goodbye.